and welcome to F&SYamaha and Marine, South Central PA's premier XL boats dealer. I'm Andy. I'm the fishing boat guy here. I usually sell most of the fishing boats for XL and also Express and Smoker Craft. If you contact us, more than likely you'll be speaking with me. We just became an XL boat dealer. I'm very proud of it. These guys really put boats together and they really specialize in duck boats, just like the F4 that we're going to see here in this video. Anyway, check us out on our website. If you're not familiar with us, check us out on our website at F&SYamaha.com. We're a very active YouTube channel, F&SYamaha. Google listing and Facebook listings. We have people from all over the nation that buy boats from us, and we appreciate it. Anyway, on to the cool XL. Just arrived a 2027 XL F4 1754. This is a true mud buddy boat. So if you're not familiar with XL, they are an all aluminum, all welded together boat company. Everything they make is completely welded together. These guys are really they're really super solid structures. 0.125 hull. It's true mud buddy hull, and what I mean by that, it is a flat bottom, slick with no ribs, as you see there. And true mud buddy boats, mud boats I should say, have a special angle to the transom as well to accept the mud motor. This is a mud buddy HDR 40 EFI on the back. Of course, you see a stainless prop. High def Optifade Marsh camo with the motor custom matched, custom painted to match. All aluminum trailer, aluminum wheels, matching spare. Also composite covered bunks for the guys that are going to brackish water. Little things like brackets that are welded on for transducer or transducers for fish finder. See a big deck air in the back for the dogs, or for you to get up in, however. Grab handles are standard on this model. You see they're super solid in how they're welded together. Spotlight up front, and it does swivel. Oops, because I forgot to unlatch. There we go. I forgot to unlatch the strap. Pre-wired for a trolling motor. We see the pad over there, and I upgraded to 6-gauge trolling motor wiring. That way you're good to go no matter what trolling motor you put on this boat. I do pretty well every boat that we get. Jumping in, aqua traction flooring on the front deck and also the rear deck. 11-gallon fuel tank, which is mounted in the front of the boat. That's what's underneath this flap here. With a true mud buddy boat, that way it stays nice and flat, shallow water with the fuel tank up front. It's even netting to hold whatever there. Light package, so the interior has lights throughout. You can see it here. Also has under gunnel lights, and I ordered the green light package, and all the compartments have lights as well. Phone holder, shell tray there, rod gun box, no problem to mount additional floor seat bases too if you want to do that. We'd be glad to do it for you. More storage here in the back. If you're not familiar with XL, they rank right up there with one of the best quality all aluminum duck boats out there in the industry. Like very similar. There's a few higher end ones in the XLs in that group. Storage here. See the light inside there. T-rail tracking on both gunnels on both sides for whatever you're going to put there, rod storage or whatever it may be. See your switch panel. Again, more lights. Courtesy light switches, all your switches for everything, bilge, a 12 volt, however. Fuel gauge. This is where bilge pump batteries go back here. Again, I mentioned the 6-gauge trolling motor wiring. We are a privately owned boat dealer here in Hanover, PA. My grandfather started things as a sporting goods store in the late 40s. My dad's a current owner. I've been here over 30 years myself, but we're very service oriented. If you check us out online or Reputation, you'll see that we're all about service. We go through every boat very thoroughly. Not just Excel, but every brand of boat in the industry. There's things that need fixed and improved upon. And the good dealers will take their time to do that. And we also water test every single boat that we sell. And I'd be glad to go to the water with you to show you how to use your boat. Whether you're picking up here at the shop or we're meeting somewhere, but people from all over the nation buy boats from us, and I meet a lot of them halfway. We do quite a bit of that. Even little things. I just realized that I just walked across that shell tray, which is, it's no problem, doesn't budge at all. Right next to us there is an 1854 as well. We do a lot of special orders too. We'd be glad to work up a special or whatever you have in mind. We're just new with Excel, but we're going to be stocking more and more. You'll see more and more videos as well. Do a lot of custom riggings with fish finder, trolling motor, lithium batteries, you name it. We do a lot of it. See many other YouTube videos of completed customer boats that you'll see of the custom riggings. Since customers are coming from all over, we do thorough walkthroughs when we're done with their boat, just to make sure everything's correct before they come or before we meet. We also sell express bay boats, bass boats, they're duck boats as well, Bennington pontoons, a lot of used boats, smoker craft V-bottoms. I appreciate you watching. If you have questions on this boat or any other boat, feel free to contact me. I'll see our contact information at the bottom of the screen. Check us out on our website at F&SYamaha.com and Google listings and Facebook listings. I appreciate you watching. If you don't mind, like this video, subscribe to our channel. It helps other people find us. Have a good day.